This is a pre-war one-bedroom on Cumming Street in Inwood. The owner has completely redone this apartment, so everything is new. This is a stainless steel kitchen with a granite countertop and cherry wood colored cabinets, a dishwasher, microwave, 30-inch stove, and a tile floor. This is an open kitchen to the living room with a dining area. Over here you could put a table for four there. The apartment's bright with east and south exposure. The living room faces east and the bedroom faces south. So I'm over here in the dining area now, and I will give you another view of the granite kitchen so you can see the refrigerator and the cabinets. The floors were all redone. This is the living room we're going into now, and it has two windows again that face east, so this apartment will be bright all day. And then coming into the hallway, there is a closet here. There are two closets in the front, which I didn't show you, but I'll walk over to them now. The one that's closer to me is a walk-in closet, and the closet's all got new doors. And then back to the hallway and over to the bathroom. Bathroom's completely new. New tiles, new tub, new vanity, new medicine cabinet with an interesting light fixture. Windowed bath, of course. All new black and white tiling. Then we go over here to the bedroom with the south-facing windows. The bedroom already has a security gate, and there's a pretty nice open view out of the bedroom window here down Broadway and down to Inwood Hill Park. Then coming back around to show you the bedroom door, and again the floors were completely done and look very nice. Okay, going back into the living room, I want to show you that the entrance does have a small foyer where the two closets are, and one of them is a walk-in. Back to the entrance, and this is again our pre-war on Cumming Street with brand new everything.